Hey, future Googlers! Want to know the secret recipe to snagging that coveted Google internship? Listen up. Step 1. Dive into self-discovery. Head over to buildyourfuture.withgoogle.com and pick a role that fires up your passion. Step 2. It's time for some self-reflection. What's your learning style? How do you tackle challenges? Understand this, and you're one step closer. Step 3. Know the heartbeat of Google, their core values, user experience, excellence, and teamwork. Make these your mantra. Step 4. Resume time. Highlight your skills, experiences, and what makes you you. Step 5. Interview prep. Know Google inside out, brush up on those tech skills, and get solving problems like a pro. And finally, Step 6. Practice makes perfect. Hit up LeetCode or HackerRank and work through those past interview questions. Ready to launch your career at Google? Smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more insider tips. Drop your questions below, and let's get you prepped for success. See you in the next video.